to another DQMS video tutorial. In this session we're going to look at a new feature that's been added to the system which allows greater management over contact events against a particular customer. So as you're already aware that when you create, in fact what we're going to do, we're going to start this right at the top, that you've added a new customer, you've created a quotation for the customer, and that's automatically generated the first contact event for that customer. So what you've now got within the Manage Customer screen are two new fields that you see it would have appeared, which is the contact event ID and a contact ID chain. The use of these two fields will become more apparent as we move through the demonstration. So the first thing is, if we try and add a new contact event where an existing event is already open and hasn't been completed, you're going to see a new message appear. So this is basically offering you the ability to say, do you want to carry on your communication that you started, or do you want to create a new conversation? In most cases you would say no, you actually want to follow on the existing communication. So let's take this as an example. We've got a quotation that we created. And we've got a follow-up. So as you can see, system has automatically generated the initial quotation, and we've got our follow-up. What we're now going to do is we're going to complete that. The system's going to say, do you want to continue this chain, basically? So if you complete, it will close this particular contact down, this contact event down, on the basis there's no further communication required. In most cases you're going to do a new event, so that inherently all the events are linked together. So if we do new event, let's select, let's say this one's going to be a phone call. So in this case we've called our customer. Now if the mobile number is available, you've now got the option to be able to click this new icon, which is SMS. What you can then do is you can add a message in there, and that, as long as that mobile number is valid and exists, then when you complete this contact event, it will actually distribute that SMS to the client, and it will actually record that as well. So in this particular example we're going to do a follow-up. Follow-up is going to be this Saturday. This particular one is going to be a test drive booked. We're going to save that. As you can see, the system has told you the event has been created and an SMS has been sent successfully, which I've just received. So now what we've got this new event. The firstly, this primary event has actually now been completed. We've now linked it to this secondary event, and this is where these numbers now become apparent, that we can actually see that contact chain. If we open up our second contact, you can actually see there's the details. We've now got this new notification down the bottom here that allows you to click on that, and that will take you back to where you started. Okay. Now you have, let's just say you want to send the customer another reminder that he's got a test drive booked. You can do add contact event. In this case we're going to say yes, we do want to add a new one. This is to me. Let's just say this is an SMS message. SMS reminder sent. We click that. This one we're not actually going to do a follow-up reminder required, we're just literally sending an SMS message to say, yeah, just a reminder. So if we save that, what you'll actually see, we've got our original communication chain that's still open. We've now sent this new one, but this has actually completed this, because this is basically just saying, you know, I'm just adding another, you know, event that's kind of linked, but you know, isn't part of the same communication chain. And that's predominantly it. The only other feature you've got is if you've got an open chain, and let's just say the customer wasn't interested in the quotation and he decided to come off and buy the vehicle from someone else, and has decided he doesn't want to communicate with you, in the future, then when you complete, you have got this option here to just complete. And what that will do, as you can see there, it's now got all of those events complete, so there's nothing outstanding as a follow-up. And so in most cases that would should be fairly rare. The next tutorial will look at UDLs, which will allow you to then follow on from this to review your user-defined lists and follow-up events that you've got to action. Okay, thank you.